Hello, dear friends. This is Dr. Muhammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I expect various aspects of research and publication. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain how to prepare mechanism of adsorption schematically. In this video, I would like to show you the mechanism of the adsorption of paracetamol onto biochar or activated carbon. So, in order to do that, I have showed here the structure of paracetamol and I have also showed the structure of biochar or activated carbon. So, if we consider the structures of both paracetamol and activated carbon, we see that paracetamol has hydroxyl group, carbonyl group. On the other hand, biochar has phenolic group, lactonic group, carboxylic group, carboxylic anhydride, peroxide group, amine group. So, based on these structures, we can propose the mechanism of paracetamol adsorption onto biochar or activated carbon. So, literature shows that uh, ba- paracetamol adsorption or most organic pharmaceutical adsorption onto activated carbon based adsorption involve pore filling mechanism, pi-pi interaction, hydrogen bonding, n-pi interaction, hydrophobic interaction, and van der Waals force of interaction, and in some cases, electrostatic interaction are also prominent. So, so here is the proposed mechanism for the adsorption of paracetamol onto activated carbon, which is activated by KOs. So from the surface of the KOs activated carbon, we see that it has got huge pores. So based on the size of the pores and based on the diameter of the paracetamol molecule can penetrate with the adsorbent by pore filling mechanism. And the second one is hydrogen bonding. We usually know hydrogen bond is formed between the highly electronegative element such as nitrogen, oxygen, fluoride with hydrogen atom. So in case of paracetamol, we have got this oxygen and which can form hydrogen bonding with the surface hydroxyl group hydrogen. So this is the second one. And the third one is the activated carbon or biochar contain this functional group which can penetrate with the pi electron of the benzene ring of paracetamol by the formation of n-pi interaction. And then the pi electron of biochar or activated carbon can interact with the pi electron of paracetamol benzene ring by the formation of pi-pi interaction. So after drawing this, we can select all, and then we can right click and then make it group as it is already grouped. So after grouping, you can copy it and paste it to your MS Word. So this is how we can propose adsorption of organic pollutants, for example paracetamol, tetracycline, organic dye, onto biosar or activated carbon. And after some modification, you can make it publication quality using PowerPoint. So that's for today. If you have any query, please leave comment in the comment section. Please to visit Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share for more videos. Thanks for watching.